the number of following factors that can influences the covalent character of ionic bond are, whereas options given as polarizing power of cation as option A, extent of distortion of anion as option B, polarizability of cation, whereas option D is polarizing power of anion. Whereas the correct options, let us go for this polarizing power of cation. What is polarizing power of cation? The ability of the cation to distort the anion is said to be polarizing power. More the polarizing power, so more will be the covalent character. Hence, the ionic bonds related covalent character is decided by polarizing power of cation. Hence, option A is correct. If I go for option B, extent of distortion of anion. Yes, the extent of distortion of anion, the ability of anion to undergo distortion is known as extent of distortion. The more the distortion, more will be the covalent character. Hence, B is also correct. Whereas if I go for the C, polarizability, ability to make the anion to undergo distortion, the ability of cation is known as polarizability. Polarizability of cation and polarizing power of anion. Polarizability, suppose the polarizability is the property of not the cation. Option was somewhat edited. This is anion. Yes, the ability of anion to undergo distortion, that is extent of distortion of anion, is measured as polarizability. So therefore, polarizability is also a correct answer. Whereas polarizing power of anion, the anion's extent of distortion is generally not known as the polarizing power, it is known as polarizability. Polarizability of anion is correct. Polarization power of cation is correct. Hence, this particular option not a proper technical word. Hence, D is wrong answer. So therefore, whatever the ionic bonds covalent character, that is A plus followed by B minus is there, the back withdrawing of electron density from the anion towards the cation, that depends on polarization power of cation, extent of distortion of anion, and also polarizing ability of anion followed by polarizing power of what? Cation only. So therefore, A is correct, B is correct, as well as C is correct. D is not a technical correct word. It is not polarizing power. It is said to be polarizability of anion is correct. Hence, the correct options for the given question, how many of the following offers the favors the covalent character of ionic compounds are? One is polarization power of cation, that is also said to be polarization power of cation, and polarizability of anion, that is also known as extent of distortion ability of the anion. So therefore, 1, 2 and 3, total 3 options appears to be correct. 3 options are correct.